Started playing golf at the age, began as a fun weekend, changed into a passion, aiming for Asian Games 2026. That you have to be in top 50 of the world. Either there are I'm in ninth, so there are my ninth exams going on. So I'm giving all the papers. We are looking forward to the sponsorships. Some small basic sponsorships right now. So my dad always wanted me to go into the sports.
Okay.
He did not want me to put into the study. So it's gonna be a tough transition. I have to increase my yardages, my mentality, and all this. My short game mentality. If that time I will get nervous, so I know I'll just lose my game at that second only. I want that everyone should play golf. ऐसा नहीं है कि golf हर कोई नहीं खेल सकता.
Hi Shiksha, thank you so much for joining. So Shiksha, where are you joining us from?
Jaipur.
Are you in Jaipur right now? Okay.
Yeah.
How's it too hot? Or started raining now?
It's a good windy weather, so not that much hot.
Shiksha, just can you give a brief about yourself? 2 minutes so that the audience knows who you are.
I'm Shiksha Jain. I'm 13 years old. I started playing golf at the age of 8. I currently live in Jaipur and I'm taking my coaching from Chandigarh, from Jesse Sir. Until now, I have won more than 90 national wins. I've got selected for 108 international events across the world. And my aim is to represent India at the Olympics LA 2028.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Shiksha, for giving that. Obviously, we will explore more during this podcast. But I just wanted the audience to know कि हाँ हम किससे बात कर रहे हैं. Now, because obviously you're so young, and so I just wanted to ensure कि we will talk about topics which obviously you are comfortable with and which you understand thoroughly. And because you're not a very routine 14-year-old girl, you are someone who has traveled a lot, who has seen a lot, who has achieved a lot. So that definitely makes a lot of difference. शिक्षा एक बात बताइए, when did you start? Golf आपने पहली बार कब पकड़ा? And when was the transition that you felt yes, this is something which I can pursue as a career in my life?
I started playing golf at the age of 8. It just started almost by a chance. Going alone with my course, going along with my dad on the course. What began as a fun weekend changed into a passion that just pulled me in completely. And this is like an emotional transition for me. But just hitting the balls for fun, for worrying about rankings, sponsorships, and just thinking about the matches. There are some moments when it is expectation plus pressure, but my parents and my coach helps me stay grounded.
Okay. But still, going for a fun golf session and then making it a professional career choice. Obviously, abhi bhi professional career choice se thoda dur hoga. You are still at the amateur stage, you're still learning, you're still growing, but you're participating in many events. Now, obviously, India maybe golf culture is steadily improving. It is not limited to some clubs and some उनके बस member खेल रहे हैं और कोई नहीं आ सकता. वो थोड़ा कम हो गया है. Obviously, it was maybe last ज़्यादा पुरानी बात नहीं है. 5-10 years back तक भी allowed नहीं थे लोग.
Yeah.
Right. So it has just recently changed, and I think मैं बोलना चाहूँगा when we just started India Sports Hub, ना हम जब शुरू किया था, just मतलब हम जब post करते थे general, our first biggest eye opener that people are interested in sports was when Aditya Ashok was playing in Olympics Tokyo.
Yeah.
मतलब उस time पे ना Twitter Spaces and Clubhouse नया शुरू हुआ था, where you can when people come and they chit chat directly audio वाला. I remember waking up at 4 o'clock and हमने बस Twitter खोला post करने के लिए कि आदित्य अशोक अभी खेल रही है. And then we saw कि already there are 100 people who are on that audio podcast and they're talking to each other. We joined it and then we realized that everybody was talking कि आदित्य ने अभी ये शॉट मारा, आदित्य का भी इस पोजीशन पे है, वो इस होल पे है. And suddenly realized कि सवेरे 4 बजे उठ के I have seen people watching cricket, लेकिन मैंने कभी किसी को golf देखते हुए कभी नहीं देखा है. And that I think was the moment when we realized कि ये भी एक sport है, and along with other Olympic sports, which people are interested in. जो वो actually मतलब अगर कोई achieve कर रहा है ना, तो फिर people are interested in watching. जनरली
Yeah.
पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन कहाँ खेल रहा है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली गोल्फ में इवेंट्स एंड टूर्नामेंट्स बहुत होते हैं, विच आई वुड नीड योर हेल्प टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन से लेवल का क्या टूर्नामेंट होता है. बट बिफोर कमिंग टू दैट, ओलंपिक्स इज समथिंग विच पीपल अंडरस्टैंड. और जब उनको दिखा कि ये सारे आदित्य अशोक है, कोई फोर्थ पोजीशन मतलब ब्रॉन्ज आते आते रह गया, दैट वाज सच एन
हाँ.
आई ओपनर. मतलब आई
Yeah.
विश आ जाता, बिकॉज फोर्थ पोजीशन वाले बहुत है इंडिया में अब हो गए हमारे. वो मेडल ही,
Like there is no Olympic medal in golf till now.
या मतलब ओलंपिक में फोर्थ पहुंचना भी बहुत बड़ी बात थी. ऑब्वियसली
Yeah.
लास्ट पेरिस में अच्छा नहीं कर पाए थे, बट स्टिल. सो दिस इज, आई वांटेड टू नो कि डिड दैट प्ले अ रोल, आदित्य अशोक्स अचीवमेंट और सम अदर्स अचीवमेंट, या किस रोल मॉडल को आपने देखा कि यू फेल्ट किया दिस इज द पाथ टू गो बाय?
So like Aditya Ashok played in 2020.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a time in COVID. It was like a really big achievement for India, seeing Aditi coming fourth at the Olympics. Like till also the last moment the Olympics finished, we all had a hope that Aditi will get a bronze for India. But as it was not possible, but yeah, she played a really important role for me.
Yeah.
I really admire her for her short game, as it's one of the strongest part of her game. And from India, what I like inspired Shubhankar Sharma also. So yeah.
Okay. I think you played as well in one of the Shubhankar Sharma named
Yeah,
tournaments, right?
invitational tournament.
Yeah. अच्छा, मुझे एक बार आप बताना, at your level, which are the tournaments that are open to you? Which are the tournaments you can play? At what level are they? थोड़ा मुझे बताइए जरा इसके बारे में. The
So
ecosystem I
like,
want to understand. Yeah.
okay, so like should I tell you the categories also?
Yeah, everything. Because see,
So like,
I'll tell you, when I'm talking to an athlete, na, it's a master class for the audience, क्योंकि 99% जनता को नहीं पता होता है. So explain as if I am a 13-year-old and you are a 30-year-old. वैसे बताओ पूरा.
okay, so like I'm generally playing in B category.
Okay.
That's for 13 to 14 years old.
Okay.
Like till the age you are 13, 14, and 15. When you turn 16, you come to A category.
Mm-hmm.
And there are like different categories. And national there are C, B, A, and ladies for women.
Okay.
These are the 4 categories.
Okay.
And when the national give you like, it's super important when you come from B. Like
Why
C is
so?
the experiencing category for you.
अच्छा, okay.
Like till the age of 12.
Okay.
And the tournaments I can play right now is IGU Nationals. As I opened my world ranking in March around, so now I can play the WGI events, Swagger events,
Okay.
and also the normal tournaments if I wish, like US Kids, TGC Open, NCR Cup, and all.
Okay. And with every tournament, obviously ranking improves and you are able to push through to better tournament, right?
Yeah, through the
Okay.
world ranking and national ranking.
Okay. At your level, which is the biggest event in India, which happens in India?
In India,
Yeah.
it's IGU only right now.
Okay. And this happens annually?
Yeah, it like has 12 tournaments in the whole year.
Acha, okay.
Like
So,
different cities, all tournaments are
okay.
different cities.
Acha, okay. And this happens in which cities generally?
Like generally, like some like 6 cities mostly are like Bangalore, Jaipur,
Mm-hmm.
Pune, Delhi, Calcutta, Coimbatore. Yeah, like these areas, these cities.
Okay. Okay. And how's the competition
And
level like?
Ahmedabad.
As in, you have to be a part of a club to enter these, or you can enter as an independent as well?
No, like for the match or like
For the matches, for the tournaments, yeah.
for the IGU, like you should have a handicap certificate from your club.
Okay.
And then when they like your club has to send it to you, and then you send it to IGU,
Acha,
and then
okay.
you can register it through it.
Okay. So you have to be associated with the club only, then you can participate.
Yeah, you
right?
have to get.
Acha, okay. How does the entry to international tournaments happen? As if you have to apply, you are invited. How does it work?
So like you said, invitations. So there are like different qualifiers.
Right.
I recently like qualified for Malaysia, Dubai, and Thailand in the Greens to Glory event.
Mm-hmm.
and to like player broadly by government. So like in the nationals, government sends players by their own if you are performing good or you're in the top three in the whole national in like all age categories.
Got it. Okay. And so, which are the major tournaments you have played till now internationally?
Internationally, one I have played was a tournament in Thailand, Black Mountain Golf Course.
Right.
It was a Thailand Junior Open,
Okay.
and when I played in the Malaysia Open,
Okay.
yeah, it was
Okay.
Malaysia was in 2024, and Thailand one was in 2023.
Okay. And which is the tournament this year that you are really targeting कि इसमें तो मुझे जाना ही जाना है or I should get selected here, qualified here?
Like for the international tournament,
Yeah,
you're talking,
for international. Yeah.
like there's a really big golf tournament for young I mean for so there's a Pinehurst tournament that's happening in August. Like for that, I'm qualified,
Okay.
but due to like some funds and all, you're not going there. But although not like aiming as that not a that big tournament this year, aiming for Asian Games 2026.
Oh, acha, okay. You are aiming for that. Nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Acha,
So
okay.
वो जाना है.
Okay, that's a good one.
But that like you have to be in top 50 of the world
Hmm.
to get selected for it.
And top two in India, right? Top three.
No, in top 50 in the world if you're there.
Acha, you're there, you get selected. Okay. Got it. Okay. And yeah, that should be a good target to achieve, obviously. So, Diksha, abhi dekho, you have been obviously playing for some years now. You're practicing. How are you managing studies and ये? मतलब कैसे कर रहे हो? Whether it obviously it's very tough being
Yeah.
a student athlete. Student वाला part generally India में when you are doing student का थोड़ा पीछे हो जाता है, athlete आगे बढ़ जाता है. But are you able to manage balance? कैसे कर रहे हो?
So like abhi to like there are I'm in ninth. So there are my ninth exams going on. So I'm giving all the papers.
Mm-hmm.
I just gave yesterday one paper and then tomorrow's one.
Acha, okay.
So like I give papers,
Okay.
but I don't go to school that much.
Acha, okay.
I give all the papers, but if I miss one or two because of my matches,
Hmm.
my school just conducted me like for me, I just give the paper afterwards.
Okay.
So my school supports me in this, and for studies, as you asked, so I just study before exams.
Acha, okay. I understand. Obviously, the schedule is. How is the daily schedule like? Generally, if it's a non-tournament day, like today, I'm not talking about exam days. Like a general day when you're not participating in a tournament and not given exams, what is the schedule like?
Like my like it's from the whole day schedule, AM or like generally.
General, मतलब पूरा morning to end तक. How do you manage?
So morning firstly is my gym. I go to the gym,
Okay.
mobility and all, stretching and all. Then I go to the golf course. Around my 3 to 4 hours is going to the short game, chipping,
Okay.
putting, pitching,
Okay.
and then I come to striking the ball,
Mm-hmm.
posing like long game and all, and
Mm-hmm.
then I like just go and play some holes around on the course, and yeah, that's like around a 12 to 14 hour process.
Okay. So daily it's 12 hours almost. You're saying.
Yeah, 12.
Okay. At any given point of time, it becomes a little rigorous or boring. कि आज नहीं हो सकता. It's too much, or you are pumped up daily.
Yeah, there are days like that, but
Yeah, it is.
खुद को push करके. It's intense, but I enjoy it.
Yeah, I think your coach plays an important role there, and I wanted to talk about your coach because obviously, please tell me. I think that journey has been very good for you, getting that coaching partnership. How did it start? How's it going? Please tell me.
I joined Jasi Sir in January 2024.
Right.
Yeah, from there it was like a game changing experience for me.
Mhm.
From just going to the basics to everything. And yeah, Jasi Sir has played a really important role in my performance from there to here.
Mhm.
It took some time because like we changed many of the things. But yeah, it's a great experience.
So, are there many students under him, or only a couple of you guys? How's the arrangement like right now?
No, there are quite students under Jasi Sir. Like, there are students under Justice.
Okay. And so currently the training is obviously coming to you directly. He's training you directly, but also he travels with you to competitions, or that's your independent activity?
No, not right now.
He's not. Okay. Got it. Okay. So I want to understand golf is obviously a very expensive sport. It's not something that every Tom, Dick and Harry कोई भी उठ के खेलना शुरू कर दे मतलब पहले तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि वो क्लब्स 14 क्लब्स में से किसको पकड़ूं वही नहीं समझेगा that will also be a very
Like,
difficult task to understand, right? So it looks very easy, but obviously everybody knows it's very difficult. मतलब आपको एक बताता हूँ, I'll tell you a fact. So हमने ना last year शायद एक ऐसे पोल किया था ट्विटर पे कि which is the most difficult sport to play, okay, in terms of skill level and in terms of I'll say physical, I'll say, okay. तो skill level पे surprisingly golf was amongst the top two. मतलब बैटिंग क्रिकेट बैटिंग वाज आल्सो देयर बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली क्रिकेट सब देखते हैं तो सब लोग उसी को वोट कर रहे थे बट देन लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर वोटिंग फॉर गोल्फ व्हिच आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड क्योंकि आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट गोल्फ आएगा उसमें एंड फिजिकल में इट वाज मोर ऑफ हाँ कि 400 मीटर हर्डल्स एंड F1 रेसिंग एंड माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग दीज आर वेरी फिजिकल तो ये तो एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर्स थे
हाँ,
स्किल पे आए गोल्फ जब हमको दिखा कि हाँ मतलब देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल वोटिंग फॉर गोल्फ कि गोल्फ इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट वन देन इट वाज अगेन एन आई ओपनर कि अच्छा ओके पीपल आर कि यहाँ पता है लोगों को
हाँ,
इतना
golf.
आसान
I
नहीं
feel
है
like golf is now famous. सबको mostly पता होता है golf.
हाँ मतलब इट्स लुक्स वेरी इजी एंड इट लुक्स वेरी स्लो बट ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट मतलब वो तो पता ही है इट्स नॉट सो कैसे स्टार्ट करता है कोई बंदा ऑब्वियसली फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स आर देयर इट्स नॉट स्पोर्ट्स के लिए इंडिया में देयर आर ऑलवेज फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट्स
Yeah.
इट्स नॉट इजी सो हाउ इज योर अरेंजमेंट करंटली इज फैमिली सपोर्टिंग स्पॉन्सरशिप्स हैं कैसे हो रहा है
Like there is my family support.
Hmm.
I mean, family support of what? Like mom, dad always there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and right now there are like we are looking forward to the sponsorships.
Okay.
There are some small basic sponsorships right now.
Acha, okay. But generally, so I'm not sure if you're aware of the exact numbers, but generally अगर हमको बाहर किसी टूर्नामेंट में जाना है, just as you mentioned, you are qualified for one of the tournament this year, but you're not able to go because of financial constraints. तो generally अगर किसी बाहर के मलेशिया में आप जब गए थे या कहीं जाते हो, if you have to go and participate in the complete tournament, what will it cost for entry to travel to stay, your equipment, balls, everything? मतलब कितना होगा?
Like more than 1 lakh.
Okay. Okay. Easily मतलब वो तो वो with मतलब
One-
travel plus पकड़ ले तो obviously that becomes more.
Yeah, that is there.
And yeah, and then you'll be traveling with dad or mom. Additional
So
right. Got it. Okay. Is there anyone with a sports background in your house?
in my family, anyone
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
no like दूर दूर तक कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स में नहीं है.
अच्छा so मतलब generally होता नहीं है so that's why I'm asking because
Yeah.
मतलब I just interviewed another athlete right she's a discus thrower and she said कि हाँ उसके both parents are basketball players that's why she was able to at least think in the direction of sports तो family
Yeah.
में generally एक होता है so मतलब it's commendable कि आपके यहाँ कोई नहीं था and you were able to pursue so कोई
So like
resistance
enough.
घर पे कोई resistance था या it was always कि हाँ करना ही है
नहीं, so like my dad, like my whole family, like कोई भी नहीं है दूर दूर तक sports में तो. So my dad always wanted me to go into the sports.
okay
He did not want me to put into the studies.
अच्छा okay
So from like that time only I played badminton the state level and then to golf. I also played like many sports, long tennis. So I represented my school in long tennis.
okay
Yeah.
उसके बाद गोल्फ अब आ गया
हाँ, oh gosh, yeah.
अच्छा ओके तो चलो इट्स अ गुड चेंज व्हिच इज हैपनिंग करंटली आपके यहाँ नहीं आई थिंक इंडिया में हो रहा है कि मिडिल क्लास एंड अपर मिडिल क्लास पेरेंट्स इन बिगर सिटीज आर पुशिंग देयर चिल्ड्रन फॉर स्पोर्ट्स व्हिच इज अ गुड थिंग पहले से नहीं था ऑब्वियसली मतलब मेरे टाइम पे तो इट वाज डॉक्टर इंजीनियर वाला ही था कुछ था ही नहीं सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट इट इज हैपनिंग करंटली एंड यू आर अ प्राइम एग्जांपल ऑफ इट सो अभी आप जिस तरह प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हो एंड यू मेंशनड कि आपका एम है एशियन गेम्स का अभी जूनियर से सीनियर में अगर जंप करना है व्हाट इज द मेजर ट्रांजिशन व्हिच नीड्स टू हैपन और इज इट लाइक अ नॉर्मल प्रोग्रेशन जो भी चल रहा है वही चलता रहेगा या फिर कोई बड़ा बदलाव होता है उसमें Competition
like
के अलावा competition तो
it's
obviously
like,
I understand. Yeah.
yeah, it's like in competitive tough transition from
Yeah.
junior to
Obviously.
senior.
Yeah. Obviously.
Yeah, because like there is like good competition in seniors.
Mm-hmm.
And as we see all abroad world, there are like more than 10,000 girls playing.
Right.
Like right now, world rankings are like also so much. So it's gonna be a tough transition. I have to increase my yardages, my mentality, and all things. My short game mentality.
Okay.
It's gonna be a tough transition, but yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Can you explain what is yardages and how much is yours?
So yardage is like and hole is around like 550 yardage. You can say like a par 5 is around 500, 550 yardages.
Mm-hmm.
So like yardages are like 1 meter around 2 or 3 yardages, I would say. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not that sure about that.
Okay.
Like yardages are more than meters.
Right. No, that's okay. That's understandable.
Yeah. So around my driver go around like 280 to 70 yardages around.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's having a carry of like 240, 250
Hmm.
something.
Okay.
So yeah. Like you
Okay.
need for irons also only driver.
Okay. So generally, women golfers, what is the longest that they can shoot in terms of yardage?
Like if we see one of a really good international golfer, Nelly Corda,
Yeah.
she hits a driver around 330, 340.
Okay. She looks very petite. Still, she's able to hit that. Yeah.
Yeah,
I think she's the one who won gold at when Aditi came fourth, right? I remember that.
yeah, Nelly.
Right. Okay. What is stroke average? How much is yours, and how is that you keep it consistent?
So my stroke average is 72 or 74.
Nee, what is that? Just to
Okay,
understand, yeah,
so
basic.
stroke average is like most on in most of the courses, stroke averages are 72
Right.
or 70.
Mm-hmm.
If you like are playing less than 70, you are like winning it. You're like really good. It's like some
Right.
rare scores get
Mm-hmm.
in India though. And like usually it's like more than 72 is like 72 is a scratch score. 73 is like overs and all. So like
Okay.
scoring under is really good. Like in professionals in India, the scores are coming in unders only.
Okay. Why are you able to consistently be under 72?
72 or under or like yeah.
Under, okay. That's okay. And
It's between 72, 74, somewhere there.
okay. No, so my actually I wanted to come to a question key. Does the quality of equipment or the brand of the equipment matters a lot in terms of improving your game, or it does not?
It's on your feel. Like how do you feel with that particular class?
Acha. Okay.
Like I would say like the clubs matters for like the yardages,
Okay.
but it's most on your feel that which clubs are suiting you.
तो अभी तो वैसा नहीं रह गया जमाना, राइट, कि इंडियंस के पास सस्ते वाले हैं, अमेरिकन के पास अच्छे हैं. आई डोंट थिंक अब वो तो रह नहीं गया. एवरीवन हैज लाइक द सेम
It's not
ब्रांड.
like that.
हाँ हाँ. अब तो मतलब एनी गुड ब्रांड आई थिंक विल बी अवेलेबल विद एनी
Yeah,
कंट्री इन
it's
इंडिया,
available
राइट?
and if you want, you can like also order it from US and it comes.
Right. So are there any मतलब are there any aspirational clubs for you कि हाँ ये मुझे एक दिन मुझे यूज करना है, or like you have the currently what you have is the best?
So like you know, there is like always these things in every tournament, I would say.
Okay.
But like the clubs I have right now, so yeah, I would be needing a professional kids move, but like I'm happy with the clubs right now.
अच्छा, okay. मतलब see, the question is कि if your game can improve with just changing the equipment, then obviously then that is something which is a no-brainer कि हाँ वो तो करना ही चाहिए.
I mean,
लेकिन
it's not something like that.
अच्छा ऐसा नहीं है. Okay.
If you buy like a heavy clubs
Hmm.
to like get your yardages better. So with that also you have to get strength in your body to hit that heavy clubs.
Right. Right.
Otherwise, you cannot use them.
And size also changes, I'm assuming, junior to
Yeah,
senior. Yeah,
size changes with the height.
right. So, matlab, I think in a 1 to 3 years, you will be needing completely new set with a bigger size, right?
Yeah, like
Once your height increases, or I think, right, that way. Got it. Okay. And so, अभी जो आपका ट्रेनिंग रेजिमेंट है गोल्फ में द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पैरामीटर वी सी इज द मेंटल एस्पेक्ट
yeah,
मतलब वो इतने से बॉल मिस हो जाना और अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन पब्लिकली ना दिखाना मतलब all these things obviously come into the picture and this is something I think mental game is more stronger for golfers than physical okay
yeah,
you see out of shape golfers be doing very well आई थिंक ये एक सबसे बड़ा डिसएडवांटेज है आपके स्पोर्ट का विच आई फील जो टेबल टेनिस में भी है थोड़ा बहुत कि 20 साल वाला और 40 साल वाला बोथ कैन compete at the same level.
yeah. That's okay.
I think
Like
this
I'm competing. Like I'm 13 and I'm competing 25 years old girl,
yeah,
28.
yeah, I
Yeah,
think that's a big disadvantage कि कंपटीशन का रेंज बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है मतलब tomorrow 45-year-old suddenly finds a rhythm can come and beat everyone मतलब हो सकता है आई एम नॉट श्योर ऐसा होता होगा बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि हो
yeah.
सकता
This
है
can happen.
या बिकॉज टाइगर वुड्स मैं बचपन से देख रहा हूँ अभी भी खेल रहे हैं और पता नहीं और 10 साल खेलेंगे कोई भरोसा नहीं
वो खेलेगा. Like he
है
will play.
वही yeah that's what so my question was that only ki, because the competition is so vast in terms of number of players who are playing mental aspect becomes the only differentiator क्योंकि
Yeah.
physical में आप कितना अलग कर लोगे right
Physical कितना भी कर लूँ, but like mental is something really, really important in golf.
what do you do for that how do you ensure कि आप उस पे मतलब रॉक सॉलिड बनते जा रहे हो या उसको इम्प्रूव करते हो
As a mental aspects that help me, and one like breathing before every shot I play. Second, visualizing that shot well before I hit.
okay
Because like when you are standing on your shot, you have like different types of thoughts. कि ये ball right तो नहीं चली जाए, वो भी नहीं हो जाए, doesn't just go into the water, doesn't just go into the bunker. So these are some things. So for that I do visualization that like really helps me. And like there are some days when you feel like now I'm frustrated. So there are some days.
right
But like keeping your mind relaxed on that days only makes you a big player.
right so जब ये it's called ghost shots what is it called when you are hitting in the air mentally when before hitting the actual shot you are hitting in the air and visualizing right sorry
Practice swing.
practice swing yeah मतलब ghost
Yeah.
swing practice swing yeah so उस time पे are you able to imagine the entire route of the ball or just that shot मतलब मैं sorry मैं थोड़ा इसको simple way में put करता हूँ कि when you are imagining that आप वो shot मार रहे हो are you imagining it going till the part वहां तक होल तक जाएगा or you are just imagining कि कहाँ तक मुझे पहुंचाना है इसको what is your
Really?
thinking like that
There are like different holes, par 4, par 5, par 3.
right
It's dependent on the yardages. Like
okay
so it depends on your shot. Like it's
अच्छा
on par 4, you cannot get on 4s. Have to use a second shot. In par 5 you can get on 2 according to the yardages. Par 3 you have to get on 1. So like different shots, and I just take a practice swing, and just before hitting the shot, I come back and then just visualize the shot where I have to hit and
right.
how the ball will go, and then I go into the ball.
Are there any visualization exercises that you do, or is something which has come naturally to you?
I would say from my dad.
Acha, okay, that's nice. Okay. So, Abhi, at this age, you have entered a lot of competitions. Okay, I think वो जो stage fright होता है वो तब चला गया होगा इतना time हो गया competitions करके.
Which one?
The stage fright कि अरे I'm with so many athletes इतना competition है मैं कैसे करूंगी I think वो तब चला गया होगा it's been मतलब इतना time तो हो गया I think that part is over so what is that thing which makes you nervous right now
So what makes like nervous is basically okay, so like when you're playing. So the main part is when you're playing on the last day and you're leading, or like not leading but you're in the leader group.
Right.
So you're leading and there are like just some holes left,
Mm-hmm.
or it's a half game, or you're like back from one stroke, or you're leading from one stroke. So
Mm-hmm.
that are the some nervous pressure times.
Mm-hmm.
But like if that time I will get nervous, so I know I'll just lose my game at that second only.
Okay.
So not getting nervous at that times is a task.
Okay. Got it. So, and for your career, are you at all nervous कि ये अगर नहीं चला तो? I'm sorry, मैं वो negative trait में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ, but I'm asking कि generally athletes नहीं सोचते हैं, they are so optimistic and pumped up always, कि they don't generally think, but ideally they should. So, have you thought through कि by chance ये professionally नहीं चला, what should I do?
Not really.
Okay.
Golf.
Okay. My another aspect to this question. Have you thought about NCAA? Have you heard about NCAA? Which is
The college
US.
golf.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
do you think, because NCAA मैंने देखा, because I spoke to NCAA athlete recently and she said, मतलब conversation में ये निकल कर आया कि जब इंडिया में आप हो, going from junior to senior, it's a transition which not many athletes are able to do. स्कूल टाइम पे आपको दिख जाएगा कि ये बंदा बहुत अच्छा है, ये बंदी बहुत सॉलिड है, ये स्पोर्ट में बहुत अच्छा है, बट सडनली वाइल ट्रांजिशनिंग टू सीनियर या तो जॉब लग जाती है, या तो कोई पढ़ाई हो जाती है, या घर पे कोई शादी हो जाती है, कुछ हो जाता है, एंड द ट्रांजिशन नेवर हैपेंस. जैसे वो दंगल में आमिर खान नहीं दिखाया था, जूनियर टू सीनियर गया ही नहीं कभी, वैसे. सो NCAA इज समथिंग, बिकॉज वंस यू गो, आपका ट्रांजिशन का पाथ लेट डाउन है, बिकॉज यू आर एनीवेज गोइंग टू प्ले. Is that something you would consider in the future कि हाँ मुझे कॉलेज लेवल पे, कॉलेजिएट लेवल पे यूएस में आके करना चाहिए?
So like you can only play college golf if you are an amateur.
Yeah.
Till the time you're an amateur. So like there are like two options. Either I can just go to college and just play college golf,
Mhm.
or either I turn pro at the age of 16 or 17 only, and then play the LPGA tour as early as possible.
Okay. So in the college level you can't play LPGA.
No, because if you turn pro, so you can't play college golf.
Acha, okay.
And as an
Okay.
amateur, you cannot play LPGA tour.
Okay, but you can participate in Olympics and Asian and Commonwealth, but you can't.
No.
Amateur तो होता है ना उसमें, तो Olympics में.
नहीं, Olympics में amateur नहीं होता.
अच्छा नहीं, okay. I thought
Like
it is.
Amrita Prashant was being able to go into the Olympics, but as she was not pro, so she was not selected.
Acha, okay. Okay, so this obstruction might come into the picture. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. बाकी स्पोर्ट्स में ऐसा नहीं है. I'm surprised golf में ऐसा है.
बाकी में नहीं है, it's not that, but in golf it is.
Because I मतलब जो एथलीट, जो यूएस के जो ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट हैं, वो सब NCAA में हैं, कॉलेज के लिए भी खेलते हैं, कंट्री को भी रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. नहीं, not golf, athletics I'm talking about, track and field. So that's why. So I thought that would be applicable to all the sports. But
No, not in golf, but in like Asian games, you can go as an amateur.
अच्छा, okay. I think that should be your immediate target then, 2 years definitely. Got it. So Abhi, this is a question I'm not sure how informed you would be about this, but इंडिया से क्यों नहीं जीतते हैं? जो मेजर स्लैम्स होते हैं, मेजर टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं, why don't we see Indians winning?
Like in every sport you're asking?
नहीं, every sport तो ठीक है, I understand that. Golf में I'm asking. You don't really see major tournaments being won. Major मतलब अब जैसे US Open तो चलो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई, but still मतलब उस लेवल तक भी मतलब the story is I think similar to tennis. टेनिस में भी आप ITF जीत जाओगे, कुछ ना कुछ डबल जीत जाओगे कहीं ना कहीं, बट यू विल नेवर गो एंड विन और इवन रीच द मेन ड्रॉज ऑफ विंबलडन और समथिंग. आई थिंक द सिमिलर स्टोरीज विद गोल्फ एज वेल इन इंडिया. दोनों की सेम ही स्टोरी है. तो व्हाई इज दैट?
If you see, so Indians like Ariban Lally.
Huh.
So he is playing at a really good level.
Right.
He's playing with Bryson and all. So I would say that it is your own mindset till where you have to play.
Achha.
It's like your own decision. So yeah.
नहीं, so okay, I'll put it differently. बाकी स्पोर्ट्स में काफी जगह ऐसा होता है ना कि बोलते हैं कि फैसिलिटीज नहीं है, इंफ्रा नहीं है, बट डू वी गोल्फ में तो इतना डिफरेंशिएटिंग होता नहीं है. If you have a course, if you have a golf kit, and if you have decent competition and training, then you are at par with anyone in the world, right? मतलब कोई बहुत फर्क नहीं होता फिर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में या फैसिलिटीज में. सो वहां पे तो वो बहाना है कि भाई फैसिलिटीज नहीं, हम कैसे करेंगे कंप्लीट. गोल्फ में ऐसा क्यों है?
Yeah.
मतलब there is no difference in facility, right? So
Yeah, like having a course is something main.
but we do have courses, right?
Yeah, we do have courses like cities like Surat, it does not have a courses.
अच्छा.
Like in some small cities, like so this is a big city, but like generally in small cities there are no courses.
Okay. Okay. How's the course in Jaipur? As in it's at world class level. How's it? मतलब?
No, it's not at the world class level, but it's a nice, decent course, a good course to play. Like
It's
there's only one course in Jaipur to play.
it's 18 hole completely, right?
It's 18 hole complete.
Okay. Does the club support you in terms of any financial, non-financial benefits because you are playing and you're presenting the club or something like that?
Like from the club?
Yeah.
No, not from the
Nothing.
club. No.
अच्छा, okay. मतलब there is nothing कि अगर आप इस level पे जीत कर आओगे तो you will be rewarded something. There is nothing of that sort. But I'm not asking for your club. मैं generally पूछ रहा हूँ इंडिया में clubs का कैसा होता है.
I don't know that much, but like, no, there isn't that things according to my knowledge.
I'm surprised actually. मतलब clubs will promote कि push करेंगे कोई हमारे यहाँ से जीते तो हम कुछ कर reward करेंगे.
I think.
अच्छा, by the way, I was looking at आपका YouTube channel, उसमें 1.6 lakh followers हैं. मतलब I was feeling envious कि हमारे नहीं है इतने अभी भी. कैसे इतने हो गए और क्या कर रहे हो आप उसका channel का?
So like, I personally don't handle YouTube channels.
Yeah, I
Like,
understood
I
that.
keep myself quite away from social media.
Yeah.
My mom and dad is there.
Uh-huh.
I'm really grateful for all the support. One video that went viral was practicing before, like BTS of practicing before my NCR Cup. So yeah, and I'm follow to more post videos about my journey and share things with all others.
अच्छा, I mean it's a good thing actually. Personal branding definitely helps a lot. तो आगे चल के जब brands collaborate करेंगे या फिर आपको if they want to onboard you, they will definitely look at. आजकल ये सब चीजें बहुत देखी जाती हैं. Insta followers कितने हैं या social media followers कितने हैं. I was really surprised to look at that number क्योंकि it's not a small number. बड़े athletes का भी इतना number नहीं होता है. So it's a good thing actually. You should continue posting there about your game, about मतलब more like you are educating the audience as well. क्योंकि golf is a very niche sport. Public को नहीं पता है.
Like rare people knows about it.
Yeah, that's what. So I think you should use that platform to more of your advantage. It will definitely help attracting brands. मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. That will push your case as well, and it will support you as well in terms of financial and non-financial benefits.
Yeah.
करेगा पक्के से. Now, golfing में India में, who's the one like your favorite male golfer and female golfer?
Like in India or like
Indian. मैं वो भी पूछूंगा उसके बाद. पहले Indian में बताओ.
Indian, like females, there is Aditi.
Right.
Of course, Aditi and Diksha.
Right.
Because like being a lefty golfer.
Yeah.
And after disability also, she's like so good at the world level. And in males it is Ariban Lahiri and Shubhankar Sharma.
अच्छा, okay. अच्छा, ये लेफ्टी से फर्क पड़ता है ज्यादा? कुछ एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज है गोल्फ में? या
I wouldn't say that, but like the people who are lefty and come to play golf, they are like कि हम lefty है तो नहीं खेल सकते. But I don't feel something like that.
मतलब golf club तो same ही है, right? Or they change?
No, but like golf clubs are changed.
Did they change? Okay. Okay. This I did not know. Okay. So golf club changes and obviously your style of game, everything will change then.
Yeah, because like you're gonna like stand at the left and right. So.
Okay. Is there any world class lefty female golfer who's like doing really well?
No, like in the world class though. No idea of that. I don't.
Even I don't remember seeing that, so I'm asking also.
No, like till now, so many Masters tournaments. LPGS tour, but I did not hold any.
अच्छा ओके. अच्छा अब इंटरनेशनल बताइए आपका ग्लोबली योर फेवरेट फीमेल एंड मेल गोल्फर.
Female Nelly Corda.
अच्छा ओके.
Yeah, she is there. And in male, it's Rory McIlroy
ओके.
and Tiger.
सो क्वाइट ओल्ड वाले मतलब पुराने वाले ही पसंद है आपको.
नहीं, रॉरी
रॉरी
तो
चलो इज नॉट ओल्ड. हाँ मतलब रॉरी चलो
रॉरी
इज.
तो अभी मास्टर्स भी जीता.
हाँ हाँ राइट अभी जीते
So
थे
like
वो.
Tiger Woods is like an inspiration, personally saying,
या
but like Rory.
टाइगर वुड्स एक्चुअली मेरे ख्याल से टाइगर वुड्स का अचीवमेंट से ज्यादा ना what learning that he gives majorly that comes from his life की उनकी लाइफ में बीच में ना बहुत बड़ा टर्मोइल आया था पर्सनल ऑब्वियसली you don't read about it because no. But anyway, so it was really bad. मतलब I used to watch तब तो इतना ज्यादा उनकी बेइज्जती होती थी और ट्रोलिंग होती थी बहुत खराब था. But now people have forgotten about it literally क्योंकि उसके बाद he still
उसके बाद उसने बहुत
consistent.
सारी चीज अचीव कर.
हाँ मतलब उन्होंने अचीव करते गए and he did not stop. मतलब people otherwise many people give up नहीं करते हैं उसके बाद छोड़ देते हैं क्योंकि इतना पर्सनल टर्मोइल इतना ज्यादा बेइज्जती ऑनलाइन बहुत कुछ होता है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन फॉर एनी एथलीट कि आप वर्ल्ड क्लास हो तो आपकी बेइज्जती भी वर्ल्ड क्लास होगी लेकिन फिर
हाँ,
उससे उठकर कैसे आना है वो फिर
वो
दैट इज
आप
वन.
में एक होना चाहिए.
वही
Like
मतलब.
not only with golfers, like with most sports players, like cricketers, Rohit Sharma and all. So yeah, मतलब सभी के साथ होता है वो.
या दैट्स व्हाट. हाँ मतलब आपको प्यार भी उतना ही मिलेगा फिर आपकी पता नहीं वहां पे ट्रोलिंग भी उतनी लेवल की हो जाती है फिर.
आपके हेटर्स और फैंस दोनों इक्वल में होते हैं.
राइट राइट. सो अभी मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन भी होता है कि नहीं हम आस्किंग कि जैसे मतलब अब क्रिकेट में होता है ना इसलिए मैं उसी एंगल से पूछ रहा हूँ कि उसमें फेवरेट शॉट होता है ना. इसमें डू यू हैव अ फेवरेट क्लब कि ये क्लब मेरे हाथ में आया तो मैं तो फोड़ ही दूंगी ये भी क्लब मेरा 14 में से ये मेरा फेवरेट है.
So one of my favorites is Driver.
अच्छा ओके. सो
Like
एंड दैट शॉट यू फील कि उससे इसको यूज करके यू आर ऑलवेज एबल टू लाइक डू वेल.
yeah, because like a good driver is something if you're getting it straight and that like in main in par 5 or par 4. Like so yeah.
अच्छा ओके ड्राइवर. एंड व्हिच हैज बीन योर मोस्ट मेमोरेबल मैच और अ डे ऑफ द मैच मोस्ट मेमोरेबल कि हाँ ये मेरा आई वाज लाइक इन द जोन इस दिन.
Most memorable match was of the Greens to Glory when I got selected for 3 international events in the one tournament.
ओके दिस वाज
Like
व्हिच व्हेन.
it was in March.
अच्छा ओके.
So like winning, I mean, I had like win in my own category, in the A and B combined also, and in the overall goals also.
अच्छा ओके.
So this was a memorable tournament for me. Like yes, and one more was there when I just opened my world ranking. So yeah,
This was which year मतलब at what age.
no, this was like this year only
अच्छा this year only. Okay.
because you can only open your world ranking after 30. So
अच्छा okay. And currently what's the handicap.
my handicap
Yeah.
-2.
अच्छा okay. And मतलब consistently handicap has to remain in 1 or 2 only level right मतलब if you have to be like really doing well
Yeah,
है ना.
1, 2, and 3 people. So yeah.
अच्छा in that range. Got it. Okay. So currently how's the family support in terms of your daily routine मतलब साथ में आपके साथ हर मैच में जा रहे हैं ट्रेनिंग में जा रहे हैं every time they're doing that.
So my mom goes with me in every single match.
Okay. If you don't mind me asking what do you mom and dad what do they do.
So my mom only travels with me.
अच्छा okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And dad.
Our dad is into job.
अच्छा okay. And you have siblings.
Yeah, I have a small brother of 7 years.
अच्छा उसके हाथ में गोल्फ स्टिक पकड़ा दी है कि नहीं.
हाँ, फिर
अच्छा घर का.
yeah, but he is also like super supportive because like when he was 3 years old, my mom used to travel with me, so he used to live alone like with the
Oh.
dad and stuff. So he used to live alone, so सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा रोल उसका है.
So that's very nice. Hats off to your entire family, actually.
Yeah.
क्या है शिक्षा आगे का भी, मतलब आई नो यू हैव मेंशन्ड अबाउट योर ड्रीम्स ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटिंग इंडिया, बट आई पता नहीं, आई रेड समवेयर, आई हर्ड समवेयर दैट यू आर आल्सो वांटिंग टू बिल्ड अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे बाकी लड़कियां भी आए, दे कम फॉरवर्ड, दे प्ले, दे विन एंड बेसिकली दे रिप्रेजेंट द कंट्री, या फिर दे कम आउट ऑफ द शेल। तो मतलब आर यू एक्टिवली थिंकिंग इन दैट डायरेक्शन, या फिर आप बस अपना गेम कर रहे हो एंड यू थिंक, मतलब कैसे कर रहे हो यार?
I would say that Olympics still is there only.
Right.
Olympics have to play. I'm gonna play it like, but LPGA tour is there, and I want that everyone should play golf. ऐसा नहीं है कि golf हर मतलब कोई नहीं खेल सकता.
Right.
If you want, you can play golf, and if you are playing good, someone else wants to see you. You like
Okay.
playing at a good level. I just wanted to build a platform where all the girls who are not able to play can play.
Okay. I think यहाँ पे accessibility का issue ज़्यादा है, accessibility to the club, accessibility to the golf club, ये सब चीजें आ जाती हैं, because you can't just
Yeah,
pick up
in
a,
India it's that much.
yeah,
Like if
मतलब,
you're going बाहर तो golf is like really normal there.
अच्छा,
जैसे
okay,
इंडिया के लिए क्रिकेट है, यूएस के लिए golf है.
okay. हाँ, यहाँ पे it is more of a, I'll say prestige issue और शो शाह वाला ज़्यादा आ जाता है factor, थोड़ा सा. Maybe that's why it happens. Because frankly speaking, I personally have held a golf club only once in life. तो मतलब
You have played golf?
नहीं मतलब हाँ थोड़ा बहुत, बॉम्बे में वेलिंगटन क्लब है, तो देयर आई ट्राइड वंस, दैट्स इट. नो बट मतलब नथिंग मच, लेकिन उसके बाद कभी नहीं किया. सो वही बोल रहा हूँ, एक्सेस ऑब्वियसली बिकम्स अ ह्यूज इशू. सो
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक दैट शुड बी सॉल्व, थोड़ा डेमोक्रेटाइज हो जाए, थोड़ा और लोगों के हाथ में आ जाए, थोड़ा और लोग एक्सेस कर पाए, तो उससे फिर बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है डेफिनेटली.
उससे काफी जरूरत करता है.
हाँ मतलब वही, लेकिन देयर इज अ लॉट कॉस्ट टू इट. आई थिंक ये ड्राइविंग रेंजेस हेल्प अ लॉट, वो होने चाहिए, राइट, है ना?
Yeah, like जैसे सूरत में अभी like my दादी house is there only. So like सूरत में अभी there's a driving range open.
अच्छा.
But वो इतने ज्यादा कॉस्टली है कि you can play either you can play like उसी अमाउंट में आप जापान के कोर्स खेल सकते हो.
ओह अच्छा, तो दीस आर हिटिंग रेंज, राइट, कि आओ मारो वाला. अच्छा, दे आर आल्सो वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, यू थिंक?
Yeah, because like उन लोगों ने as a cafe they opened,
हां,
you can say, but like yeah, the driving range will help a lot.
राइट. आई थिंक उसमें मतलब एक हिटिंग का ही आ जाए, किसी को दिख जाए, अच्छा लगे, उसी से
हाँ,
बहुत फर्क पड़ता. बट आई थिंक उसके लिए भी आपको जगह चाहिए काफी. इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल
yeah,
स्पेस,
बड़ी हो जाएगी.
यू नीड अ बिग,
शॉर्ट, तो उसके लिए आपको एरिया चाहिए.
मतलब एटलीस्ट 200 yards लेंथ कम से कम, ताकि उतना लोग मार तो पाए. Will that definitely that way, because I see in सब चीजों से ना, I think online presence बहुत बढ़ जाती है.
हाँ,
You see lot of reels of foreigners in driving range like who are hitting very hard, या फिर वो trick shots कर रहे हैं, वो
हाँ,
सब.
वो
हाँ,
सिर्फ
वो
ड्राइविंग
सब,
रेंज पे.
हाँ वो सब ड्राइविंग रेंज में हो पाता है, मतलब पब्लिक देख पाती है. तो आई थिंक वो उससे बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है. बट अगेन प्रॉब्लम ऑफ स्पेस, मनी, एवरीथिंग, इन्वेस्टमेंट,
Yeah,
एवरीथिंग. अच्छा, before we close, your favorite golf movie?
my favorite golf movie.
Yes.
There are like many such as one. The Short Game.
The Short Game. Sorry, I'm forgetting who was this. Okay.
And there's one more movie I like don't remember the name. It is a Hindi movie and it's like
वो
based on a real story.
that
Uh,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui one.
हाँ,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Lucky Ali, क्या था उसका नाम?
हाँ, Lucky Ali one. That was like a really good tip
अच्छा.
that I loved.
अच्छा, okay. I think बचपन से मैंने जो देखी है, the greatest game ever played, that was really good. Shia LaBeouf की थी, about
हाँ,
मतलब wooden
पर
clubs
I
होते
like
थे.
the Short Game भी like personally मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है.
हाँ,
And that's Lucky Ali वाली.
हाँ, राइट. आई थिंक इंडिया में बनी नहीं है. देयर वाज अ सीरीज आल्सो व्हिच केम Amazon मिनी पे थी या कुछ थी, व्हिच केम ऑन golf. आई एम फॉरगेटिंग द नेम.
प्राइम वीडियो, हाँ उसकी बहुत सारे एपिसोड्स है.
हाँ राइट, उस पे था
I
वो.
wanted to tell that but मेरे को उसका नाम में
हाँ नहीं, मुझे भी स्ट्राइक नहीं हो रहा.
click हो गया.
हाँ राइट, उसमें कोटा फैक्ट्री वाला लड़का है उसमें मेन, जो गोल्फर बना है. ही हैज बिकम, तो वो कैसे क्लब में ही इज अ बॉल बॉय, बॉल उठाता है एंड ही स्टार्ट्स प्लेइंग.
ये वही है जो आप कह रहे हो, लक्की अली वाली, वो नहीं, सॉरी, वो फ्री, नो, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट
फ्रीकी अली ऐसे कुछ है नाम, राइट? हाँ
फ्रीकी अली वाली नहीं, वो तो दैट्स अ फन मूवी।
हाँ
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द वन यू सेड, वो बॉल बॉय उठाता है
राइट,
एंड देन एक पोज उसको बताते हैं एंड वो
गॉट
फिर
इट।
मैचेस करके फिर वो एक बहुत बड़ा कैडी टूर्नामेंट जीत जाता है।
हाँ हाँ, ये वही है, दैट इज अ सीरीज ऑन अमेज़न। या
या आई वाज आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट।
अच्छा अच्छा, सॉरी, हाँ ये पार्ट तो रह ही गया। कैडी कैसे करते हो आप मैनेज अभी? मतलब इज देयर अ परमानेंट कैडी या फिर आपके साथ वो हमेशा मिल जाता है, कैसे होता है ये?
नहीं, just like you go to the different courses, so courses में caddies होते हैं।
तो जूनियर लेवल पे भी डू यू गेट कैडीज, डू यू नीड कैडीज या फिर यू डोंट?
Yeah, we need caddies.
अच्छा, यू
But like
नीड।
in some tournaments in IGU, there are कि आपको self caddy करना पड़ता है, but in the mostly the caddies are allowed.
एंड डू दे प्ले एनी रोल इन योर गेम और दे आर जस्ट?
No, they just like caddy your bag.
अच्छा, नहीं वो पिक्चर में दिखाते हैं ना, कैडी गाइड भी कर रहा है, बता भी रहा है,
हाँ,
वैसा।
like caddy guides you.
मतलब आई हर्ड सम टाइगर वुड्स या मैकइलरॉय किसी का कैडी इज लाइक अ मिलियनेयर, इतना उसने कमा लिया है,
हाँ,
समथिंग। हाँ
like Rory caddy is also like a really rich.
हाँ, वही मतलब आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड कि कैडी कैसे इतना अमीर है।
Rory caddies, Tiger Woods caddies, Bryson's caddy.
हाँ
So वो लोग काफी rich है।
ओके, आई थिंक मतलब they are the only one who stand with you because it's a lonely sport. लेकिन
Yeah,
एक
like caddy helps in like many roles.
okay, so generally they are aware of the course as well, है ना? मतलब
Yeah.
तो because if you are going to a new tournament, वहाँ पता तो होगा नहीं आपको कोर्स के बारे में ज्यादा, but at least एक
We play one day before we have practice round.
हाँ,
Just to
but
do the course.
nitty-gritties नहीं पता चलती फिर भी। हाँ, you don't really get to know,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Are you मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना golfers are afraid of sand and water, आपका ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
I would say water to sleep because you get penalties after that.
अच्छा हाँ, right.
But sand, I'm good with it.
So you are able to manage that. Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, nice. अब तक का आप सबसे ब्यूटीफुल गोल्फ रेंज कौन सा लगा है देखकर?
Golf course.
हम्म,
Black Mountain Golf Course, Thailand. One of the best golf course.
in terms of picturesque, मतलब
Like really beautiful. Like the like picturesque mountains, sunset, all like I played it around 6 in the evening and there's like such and beautiful sunset there.
अच्छा, okay. Golfers are वैसे early risers, I've seen.
No,
मतलब
like I started early, but
नहीं, I know, I'm saying कि
see
मतलब
that
जितना
too, we just went to play one hole.
yeah, मतलब I've seen मतलब the only sport where sportsmen are really enthusiastic and ready in the morning, they are golfers. 4 बजे 5 बजे टी ऑफ होगा तो एकदम अपने अटायर में आके रेडी रहेंगे कि हाँ हमको करना है। मतलब तो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक वर्क विद सम गोल्फर्स पहले तो या सो बॉम्बे में मतलब आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप एट 4 एंड रीच, तब तक वो एकदम रेडी रहते थे एंड दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कोरियंस हु यूज्ड टू प्ले, तो उनके साथ मजा आता था।
हाँ, कोरियंस तो are like बहुत जल्दी खेलने वाले।
हाँ हाँ, नहीं एंड इफ यू गो इन मुंबई ना, सो देयर इज अ खारगर का क्लब दैट इज 9 होल, मुंबई वेलिंगटन है आई थिंक व्हिच इज अगेन 9 होल। सो यहाँ पे कोरियंस बहुत आते हैं, मतलब भर भर के। एंड इवन इफ यू गो टू गुड़गांव, वहां पे बिकॉज सैमसंग की
गांव में लाइक आईटीसी गोल्फ कोर्स, मतलब इंडियन से ज्यादा वो कोरियन से भरा हुआ रहता है।
बिकॉज वहां पे सैमसंग का ऑफिस है, एलजी का ऑफिस है, सो एवरीबॉडी कम्स देयर।
कोरियंस आर मोर देन इंडियन।
या एंड उनको देख देख के ना एक्चुअली बहुत सारे इंडियंस भी आने लगे, खेलने लगे, व्हिच इज एक्चुअली आई थिंक अ गुड थिंग। मतलब कम से कम चलो यहाँ पे हमको फॉरेन कंपटीशन यहीं कहीं मिल रहा है, हमको बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं। यहाँ पे व्हिच इज द बेस्ट एकेडमी इंडिया में टू लर्न या प्ले टू स्टार्ट?
Academies, like there are many academies, I would say. और जैसे अभी there's like Tarun Dhan Sirs Valley, Jaga is also started in India.
Where is this?
Jaga is like Junior Asian Golf Academy. It is an ITC golf course.
अच्छा,
So it's basically from out of the India.
हम्म।
But I am not into that academies and like with.
You are obviously associated with a coach, so you तो है definitely, and he's an awarded coach, मतलब very respectable. So मतलब I think you're in the right hands currently.
Yeah.
Touch wood. Perfect. I think Riksha, this was wonderful. Lot of things I have learned about you. Lot of things I've learned about golf, and they will definitely help a lot of girls to know about the sport. ठीक है, Riksha. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks so much.